Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bulgaria, and this is the 4-cylinder 100 horse turbocharged Volvo engine on the 1989 Linssen 10m30. As you can see, absolutely stone cold. Let's see how she starts. Well, no reluctance there. Let's see what we've got in the way of. Well, I can certainly hear the water coming out there and see some smoke from a cold start. Now then, well, certainly no intrusive engine noise from up here on the aft deck steering position. Let's go down into the saloon and see what the noise levels are like down here now that the engine hatch cover's gone back on. Well, again, if I was steering from here, I don't find that intrusive at all.